What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melissa and today we are gonna make some amazing food, so stay tuned and let's get going. Alright guys, today I got a special surprise for you guys. Today I picked up this Snoop Dogg recipe book. Can't wait. We about to drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Oh yeah, back in the 90s baby. You know what's up. Alright guys, you guys ready to make this Billionaire bacon out of Snoop Dogg's book? So excited to share this recipe with you guys. Who doesn't love bacon? Everyone loves bacon. Of course, not my vegan and vegetarian family, but we love some bacon. Got some really cool recipes in here, but today we are making his Billionaire bacon. Look how amazing that looks. It's only 4 ingredients, easy to make. Add it with your breakfast. He also has a little section over here that you can add with his omelets and eggs. So first step guys, we're gonna get our brown sugar. It says to use a cup, but I'm gonna use a half a cup. Take that, put it in your little bowl like that. Then you're gonna get your half teaspoon, not tablespoon guys, big difference, teaspoon. You're gonna take your red pepper flakes like this. See that? Add that in here. This gives it a little bit of spice to it. You know, sweetie spice, what? It's amazing. Then you're gonna take your black pepper. You're gonna add a teaspoon, which I don't have a teaspoon, so we're just gonna go until I feel that's enough. All right, so now you're gonna mix this up. Wanna mix it good, don't wanna mess it up. I love bacon, but let me tell you something. I can't stand when they overcook your bacon. And it's so crunchy, it just tastes like shit. You know what I'm saying? I like the, you know, hard, but got a little bit of softness in the bacon still. Not super crunchy to the point where it just tastes burnt because they didn't cook it right. Ridiculous. All right, once you get that done, all you need is some thick bacon. Set the oven to 400. Gotta preheat that oven. Then you're gonna get yourself a little pan like this and you wanna put a rack on it. So you're gonna lay that bacon across this rack. Woo, look at that. That's what you call some thick bacon, baby. Lay that on there, just like that. Got your bacon like that. You're gonna take your mixture of your brown sugar, black pepper, and your red pepper flakes, and then you're just gonna put it on top of each one. Beautiful. Look at that. As Snoop Dogg would say, for shizzle my nizzle. What? Now it's time to put this bacon in the oven. We're gonna bake for 25 to 30 minutes, so we're gonna set a timer for 15 minutes. You have to rotate it halfway through, so let's get it for 15 and then we'll do another 15. I see y'all back in 15 minutes. All right guys, timer just went off. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. Now we're gonna rotate this like this. 15 more minutes, we done. All right, bacon is done. Gonna pull it out the oven. Woo, watch out for that grease. It looks amazing. Now we're gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes and then we're gonna try it out and I'll let you know. All right guys, our bacon is done. We're about to try this. So I'm an 80s baby, raised in the 90s. I wanna say it was the best decade ever. I don't care what anybody says. Best decade ever. We had great music, great movies. You could go outside and play until the street lights came on. Your ass better been home. That was your curfew. Had no cell phones, no social media. That's how you knew you had to be home. Street lights came on, your ass better been in the house. So who else agrees with me? 90s were amazing. All right, so got this bacon. It is looking amazing. Let's try it out. Sweet, a little spicy, amazing. You wanna try it, you know, toke. Can't do that on camera, get demonetized, but for my tokers out there, best munchie snack. Hit it up, make some bacon, chill, and just, amazing guys. All right guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, give it a like, comment down below because there's gonna be amazing new content coming out. I'm gonna make a few more recipes out of his cookbook and share them with you, so stay tuned for that. Got an awesome video coming up this week as well. Don't forget to put that bell on. You don't want to miss these videos. Until next time, guys, peace.